Hey there, April of Yes Next, here with my mom, Aiko.
Hi.
You ever have a stiff neck or tightness in your shoulders? Well, in this session, we're going to focus on 10 exercises to increase mobility in your neck and shoulders and alleviate discomfort and pain in those areas. Now, this session can also be done just to release tension during your day.
That's good.
What do you think about that, Mom?
Sounds good. I'm sitting at the computer all day. My neck starts to feel stiff, and my shoulders and my back. So I think this will be very helpful.
Yeah, I experience the same thing when I'm sitting at a computer.
Right.
Now, remember to check with your doctor before starting, especially if you have any existing conditions or recent injuries. Now, my mom is going to be doing this one seated. I'll be doing it standing, so no other equipment needed. And this session can be done 2 or 3 times a week or every day if you just want to release some tension. All right? So how does that sound, Mom?
Sounds good. Let's get started. We got some eggs to get rid of.
All right, we'll take a pause here and get moving. So, Mom, you want to have a seat?
Sure,
All
thank
right,
you.
let's get this session going. All right, so we're just going to start with some open close with the arms, okay? So we have our arms out. We're going to bring them back, shoulder blades together, and then close, okay? Let's do 10 of those. So open and close. That's
Hug
2.
yourself.
That's right. This is 3. Good. Keep it going. 4. Working the chest, the shoulders, upper back. Okay, this is 6. This is 7. Nice. 8. Good. This is 9.
They love you, love you.
That's right. And one more. Love yourself. Very important to love yourself.
Love yourself.
That's right.
Good
And
job.
relax. That's really great to, reduce posture problems, and which can lead to neck and shoulder discomfort.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that's number 1. So our next one is that ear to shoulder move. Okay, so we're sitting tall, standing tall, good posture, and we're just bringing that ear to our shoulder. Okay, to your right, hold, and center, and then to your left, hold, and center. Now, if you wanted to just give yourself a little bit more stretch, you can bring your hand, right hand to your head and just give it a nice little stretch. And hold. Not to pain, just so you feel the stretch. Breathe. Good. And center. And to the other side, ear to shoulder. Breathe. And release. Okay, let's just.
It's a warm up, actually, right?
It is, yes.
We're
We're warming
warming
up. Yeah, that's right. And let's do it one more time, okay? To your right, okay, hold. And center, and to your left. Oh, that feels really good. And center. It really is a really nice warm up. And even relaxing, in the evening is really nice too. Okay, so now we're going to go into those head turns. Again, working on neck mobility. Go to your right, hold. Little nice stretch.
Feel the stretch.
Neck muscles, hold. Breathe, take a breath. Good, and bring it to center. Let's go to the other side. Oh yes, really nice. And center, great. And 2 more. 2 more sets. To your right, breathe. Oh yes. Loosen up those neck muscles. Center, to your left. Hold.
You can feel it in your neck.
Oh yes. Feels good? Oh yeah. Say hold on. And center one more time each way, okay? Okay, so to your right.
Feels good.
Oh good.
This is good for rubbernecking.
Uh-oh. We don't want to be doing that on the road.
Well, I mean, there being nothing to do,
And if you're a passenger in the car, it's okay, right? That's right. Okay. Hey, nice job on those head turns. That, again, both of those moves, work on just increasing that mobility in your neck, just releasing tension. That's great for after the computer, right?
Right.
All
Very
right.
much.
Okay. We're going on to shoulder shrug. So we're standing tall.
Right.
Core engage, right? Bring our shoulders up to our ears. Hold. Take a breath. And release. Okay, nice. Really loosening up those shoulders up and those trapezius muscles and down. Trapezius are right here. Okay, now that's 2.
It feels good, actually.
Yes. Yeah, you're really working. That's 3. I'm gonna go to 10 on these, okay? I know you can. Bring it up for 4. Breathe. Nice. This is 5. Good. And 6. Relax. This is 7. Relax.
This is a I don't know move. I don't know.
That's right. That's good, Mom.
I don't know.
That's 8. 2 more.
That's automatic. You see, you sort of
Nice. See, yeah, you're shrugging your shoulders. You're working on increasing neck and shoulder mobility. And last, I don't know. And down, relax. Whew, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Nice work. Take a breath. Okay. Now, natural next move is to do the shoulder rolls. This is going to feel really good, okay?
Yeah.
So anyway, you bring those shoulders up to you, but you're rolling them back, right? That should feel really good. Working on shoulder mobility, everybody. Bring them back. This is 3. I want you to give me 2 more. This is 4. Yes. And 5. Now we're going to reverse it forward, okay?
Okay.
Reverse it forward. 1. Oh, yes. 2. Work the shoulders. 3. Breathe. 4. 5. And rest. You did an extra one. I saw that. Extra credit for you. Extra credit for you if you did another one. All right, nice job. All right, wow, really loosening up those shoulders, increasing blood flow in that area, right? And just releasing tension in that upper back, which can release shoulder tension too, shoulder and neck tension, okay? All right, next one is a bit of a challenge, I know. Okay, this is we're going into the chin tucks to work these cervical muscles here. And again, it's a very small move, okay? So we're sitting, standing tall. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a double chin, everyone. So double chin it as I say it, okay? And release. So you see it's a very small move, okay? But you're just basically bringing that head back and releasing. Bring it back and releasing. I see it, it's very small, but you're working these tiny muscles back here.
Yeah.
That are important to keep your head up so you don't have your head like this, right? Okay.
I think I'm doing that.
Let me look at you while I do it. Chin back, everyone. Double chin it. And release. I want you to give me 3 more. Double chin it. And release. 2 more. Double chin. And release. I know it's not attractive, but it works. Double chin. And release. And rest. Now, again, those are working your cervical muscles here. Cervical spine alignment is very important. Reducing neck tension and also helping to improve posture.
Yeah,
okay? All right, nice work. Checking with your body, see how you're feeling, okay? Everybody feeling good?
Really good.
Ready to move on. Okay, this is kind of a fun one. Okay, so we have our palms up. You can make a slight fist, and our arms are at 90 degrees, everybody. Take a breath. Okay. All we're doing is pulling our elbows back, shoulder blades together. Hold. And release forward, okay? You really feel your scapular, shoulder blades coming together. Working the upper back, which improves posture, can also help alleviate neck and shoulder tension, okay?
Yeah.
This is 3. And release, good. This is 4, I'm going to 10. Release, breathe. This is 5. Good. Bringing those shoulder blades together.
Yeah.
Good. Release. This is 6. Shoulder blades. Yes. Release. And 7. Whew. Don't forget to breathe.
Yeah.
Good. And release. 8. Hold and release. This is 9. And release, and give me 1 more. And 10. And release and rest. Okay, nice job. Okay, take a little break here. Now you notice that we're wearing our yes to next gear. So, hey, mine says live your yes to next. Let us know how you are living your yes to next in the comments. You know what? We're so proud of you. keep it going. All right, and you can find these our gear on our website if you're interested. All right, so next exercise is arm circles. So I want you to have your arms in a T, okay? Tiny, tiny arm circles forward. So make circles toward us. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. We're gonna go back up, okay? We've gotta go back the other way. Back up, to the back. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rest. Woo. I know those are challenging, but those are just like a gentle way to strengthen the shoulders. All right, so nice, nice, nice work. And if you can't make it to 10, don't worry. Just do as many as you can and build up, you know, over time. As you keep doing it, you're gonna get stronger, okay? So stay with it. All right, so next one is just a back arch, okay? It's like a thoracic extension. So you're seated or standing, okay? I just want you to sit tall, and I want you to arch your back, look up. Yeah, those shoulder blades do go back again, just like the shoulder, you know, the row that we did. Hold and release. Okay, so slight arch in that back, right? Really working that upper back, opening it up. And release, very nice. Breathe. Let's do it again, up. And release. Strengthening these upper back, this is 4. And release, very nice.
It's good, actually.
This is 5, I'm going to 10 because it feels so good. Release. Okay, keep it going. 6. Yeah, you know those shoulder blades coming together, arching the back. And back down. This is 7. Good. You need to keep those shoulders relaxed, okay? 8. Okay, good. 9. Oh yes. And down, and give me one more. And a big 10. And release. Oh, very nice, everybody.
Good.
That is increasing mobility in our upper back, which again helps to improve posture, which can definitely help to alleviate neck pain, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, okay, so.
This would be good for sleeping too, I bet.
Yes, very relaxing. Okay, so our last move is just that arm across the chest. So straight arm right across the chest, and with the other hand, just kind of like gently tug on your upper arm here. You really want to feel the stretch in your shoulder and upper back, okay? Take a breath here, breathe. And breathe, one more breath. And release, good. Let's do the other side. Okay, good. Straight arm, breathe. Hold, you can probably feel that nice stretch in that shoulder, upper arm, back. Good, and release. And I want you to give me another set here. Across the chest. Breathe. Good. And release. And one more on the other side. Oh, yes. That feels so good. How are you feeling? Uh-oh. I don't see your face. Uh-oh.
Do peekaboo.
And release. Very nice. Okay, shake it out, everybody. All right, let's close this out with 3 inhale exhales, and you can go up or you can do it forward, okay? And this is good for your shoulders and back too. So inhale and exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. Oh, hello.
Hello.
And inhale and exhale.
Good job.
Wonderful. Great job on doing these 10 exercises to alleviate neck and shoulder issues. All right, so again, you can do these 2 to 3 times a week or every day if you feel up for it.
Yeah.
And if you like this video, please give it a like, share a comment, let us know what you thought, and subscribe to our channel. It's always wonderful to help you get stronger and get more flexible. All right, so we look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving and stretching. See you soon.
See you soon.